Alright, students, so we'll be looking at what isometric projection is, right? Uh, just the introduction to what isometric projection is. So, all of the drawings that you've been doing before now are two-dimensional drawings, right? Meaning that they only show two dimensions, or they only show two types of measurement, right? A length and a width. So isometric projection is basically a method that is used to visually represent three-dimensional objects in two dimensions, right? So now for this topic here, isometric projection, right? We're going to be doing three-dimensional drawing, right? Or we're going to be constructing three-dimensional shapes or objects. So if you take a look at what I have here on my screen, right? Drawing in isometric projection. The drawings of prisms and pyramids are pictorial drawings. So the reason they're called pictorial drawings is because the word pictorial drawing in technical drawing is used to refer to 3D objects or 3D shapes, right? And there are different ways to represent them in technical drawing. And isometric projection is one of those ways to represent them, right? They're drawn in isometric projection. So first, we're going to look at a cube, right? An isometric drawing of a cube. And there are some important things about this drawing to note. So if you look at the bottom of the cube or the base of the cube, right? You're going to notice you have two 30-degree angles. Alright, let me just zoom up on it. Alright, you're going to notice you have two 30-degree angles. One going in the left direction and one going in the right direction. And then you also have a 90-degree angle, right? And that 90-degree angle is at 90 degrees to this baseline here. Now, another important thing to note is that the reason why this cube is represented in three dimensions is because you have the three isometric axes being shown in this drawing here, right? You have the vertical axis, right? That's this line here. You have the right receding axis going in a different direction, and you have the left receding axis going in a different direction. So all three of these axes are going in different directions. This is why it's called a three-dimensional drawing, right? Or this is why they say in technical drawing, isometric projection is a way of representing this drawing in three dimensions, right? And note also that the angle, the measurement of the angle between each of the axes are equal, right? And they're always 120 degrees, right? And this would be shown in every isometric projection that you would do in the future, right? As well as the 30-degree angles at the bottom.